A structural shift is underway in how the artificial intelligence reaches the enterprise. Foundational model developers are moving beyond API based revenue models towards direct involvement in implementation, creating a new services layer that private equity firms are now co investing to accelerate. The convergence reflects a mutual recognition. AI labs need distribution beyond the self service adoption, and private equity sponsors need working AI implementations to justify multiples on the portfolio exits. The emerging value chain from model providers to consulting joint ventures to PE owned operating companies represents a distinct capital formation pattern that may define AI's commercial maturation over the next 3 to 5 years. For institutional allocators, understanding where the value accrues across the chain is increasingly relevant to both the direct AI investments and the broader exposure through the PE commitment. First and foremost, you have the PE commitment due diligence. As the AI implementation becomes a standard PE value creation lever, allocators should assess sponsors' AI strategies during the commitment underwriting. Firms participating in structured AI partnerships like Anthropic Venture may have advantages over those pursuing ad hoc implementation. Then there is the direct AI exposure. Investors evaluating direct positions in AI companies via late stage private rounds or eventual IPOs should assess services revenue contribution alongside the API matrix. Higher margin services revenue may support different valuation frameworks and pure play consumption models. And then we have the consulting sector positioning. The traditional system integrators face margin pressure as AI labs internalize implementation. However, the artifact transaction suggests PE appetite for specialized AI services firms, potentially creating merger and acquisition opportunities for consulting portfolios with genuine AI capability. Finally, we have the infrastructure implications. The data center build-out required to support enterprise AI at scale continues to drive capital demand. AI services expansion may accelerate compute requirements as more portfolio companies operationalize AI workloads with implications for infrastructure allocations. In wrap up, we can say that the AI industry's shift from model development towards services and distribution represents a maturation consistent with previous enterprise technology cycles. Private equity structural involvement as co-investor, distribution channel, and value realization mechanism suggests that this is not a tactical partnership but an emerging market structure. For the institutional investors, the relevant question is no longer whether AI transforms enterprise operations, but how value distributes across the implementation chain. The firms that control the services layer connecting the frontier models to the working deployments may capture economics that pure play model providers and traditional integrators cannot access independently.